So I kept all of my men's rings in this bag right here. Okay, but they come in this little pouch. How convenient is that? So if you are traveling with it, it's perfect. This is more convenient than like a ring box, if you ask me. So here's some of the men's ones, you guys. I'm just going to open up this product link so I can tell you guys exactly what it is. Okay. So this is a pack of 7. But click on this link, you guys, because there's all different configurations, like different variants of these, but they're all on this one page, okay? So I'm going to write men's too. Hold on. Okay. So yeah, just click on this product page and you guys will see all the different variants. But there's like this one right here that looks like the For Love. Same sort of design. So if you guys want to match, you and your fiance, you can do that. Let me see. So there's this. I love this blue color. Another blue. This kind of looks like something that would be a normal, metal band with the kind of like ridged edge there. And then there are like the red and black. This again looks super classic. I've seen this a lot. This like black sort of domed band. I've seen this a ton and I think it's brilliant. So this black right here. And then gray. You can call it silver, I guess, if you wanted to. And again, that like ridged edge situation. Also like black on black. And then again, this sort of metallic silver, just dome. Super classic.